In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this phone. So first of all, open Messages or any other area where you can input some text. So let me open a new message, and as you can see, here we've got our current keyboard. And now just tap on Settings icon. Go to Languages, Add Keyboard, pick the language that you would like to apply. Okay, so you'll not see the difference here. Let me pick some more. Just the language with different letters. It can be, for example, Hebrew or Russian. So here we've got Hebrew, tap on Done, then remove unnecessary languages. Let's go back, and as you can see, keyboard language has been changed. So that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.